Hiya, fellas, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. Oh, we got mail. Holy crap. Oh, there they are. Wait. Before someone tries to eat them. Phosphor slime is softly glowing heralds of starlight. The ones that we didn't get to see in the last episode. Anyway. Oh, yeah. In the last episode, we started the game. That was basically it. Let's see here. Let's see what this has got to say. I had a great big tree like this here one along the edge of my property back on Earth. It had been there before anyone could remember. It survived all kinds of change around it, and then one day I began to notice it was dying. It wasn't anything unnatural. It was just its time, I suppose. And then I realized that if I didn't do something, I'd end up like that tree. I'd spend my whole life in the same place. I wasn't going to let that happen, so I bought a ticket for the Farfar Range the very next day. Okay. That kind of makes sense. That's touching. That's kind of cool. And we have our first introduction of the tar. I love these fuckers. These awful, ravenous rainbows. These things are evil. Yeah, they hurt you. Plus, they eat other... Yeah. And he's gonna multiply. Basically, they eat other slimes, and they multiply, and it just becomes a big mess. They're caused by, like, largos eating, like, a different port than they're made from. So let's say that phosphorus kitty port, or largo. If it ate one of the pink ports, it would become tar. Like that one! I mean, I could just leave, but... Sorry. Here. There's two ways to get rid of them. One is obviously toss them into the Great Slime Ocean. And two is spraying water on them. Water kills them. Did it just eat a chicken? That's new? Nope, there's still some tar left. Shit. Oh my god, they swallowed this entire area. Whoa. That hurts. Sorry. I think that's it. Yeah. That's it for the tar. Sorry if I'm talking too softly. I'm just not used to being loud today. I don't know why. It's just like I don't know. Let's see here. Ew. Hate pink slimes. Honestly do. They're just so common. Ugh. You bitch! Jerk. I wanted that. I need the money. Oh yeah, what was I gonna do today? I like have no plan at all. I'm just winging it every single episode. That's how this is. We're gonna make a great farm, ranch. That's kind of the goal here, and explore some of the story of it. Besides that, that's really it. There's like no big plan, no nothing. All right. I should probably hold off. No, because I have no way to store these ports. Get rid of these freaking slimes. Until I managed to afford a storage facility. Wait, how much is a storage facility? Let's take a look. Silo. It's 450 out of 361. Nah. Hey guys, what's up? Oh, we have names. Which one do you use the bitey one? Mighty one. You're the mighty one. Okay. So this one is Steve. And this one I shall name... Okay, chill, guys, chill. There's carrots, eat them. I have no idea. No, we're gonna let those grow. Can I upgrade the corral at all? Internet's too expensive. I could get high walls. I do want to get a port collector. Actually, our main goal right now is getting a storage facility. Then we can focus on, then we can basically focus... Oh my god. Oh shit. 10,000? Really? It's gonna be hard. Let me take a look. Let me think here. Quest. Oh shit. That's not bad. What's the odds that the greenhorn beats you all this one? What? Never mind. Yeah, if we turn these in, we get that reward, the phosphor port and pogo fruit. I don't really... The only thing would be good was the phosphor port, but it's not worth it. Not for what we need to get. What upgrades? I could buy the water tank, which actually would help me out. Jetpack, yes. Heart module, not really. Power core, helpful. Hold up to 30 units. Maybe? I think first I should save up for a storage facility first. That's probably like the best thing. Star Mill. Hi there, Beatrix. The name's Thor West. I'll keep my introduction short on account that we all got work to do. I'm a longtime rancher here on the Far Range and head of the welcome wagon for your local range exchange. The range exchange is a network of ranchers just like yourself who are looking to trade what they got for what they need. Slimes, ports, food, whatever. All you need to do is check out the range exchange machines daily and be sure to get your trade completed by noon. As more ranches get added to the network, you should receive a hearty hello from them, so you check your inbox. On up, John. We both got slimes to wrangle. Adios, Beatrix. Love. Nah, whatever. Alright, sleep until morning. Woohoo! Alright. Aw, he's got poop for me. Alright. Since I don't have a storage facility, I'm just gonna toss all these heartbeats in. I don't care if they're hot. What did I name you? I'm gonna name you Hopper. Get in there! God. You think they have some decency, Jesus. So like, wait till I wake up. Oh my God. I can tell he's gonna be a troublemaker too. We're totally rolling the dough, guys. We're totally rolling the dough. Wait, actually, I think I have enough for recycling, don't I? Oh, I'm like 20 short, aren't I? Yeah. Or like, no, I'm 14 short. So... let's go explore the range a bit more. Because there's still a lot in this area that we have yet to explore. Like up there, but I'm pretty sure I need a jetpack. I don't know how to... should have brought food. That's probably how you do it. Arrgh, he gives money. Yeah, we have baby chicks. So if I wanted to start a coop, which I don't really want to, that's just the hassle, which I don't want to deal with. I really want to deal with the Gordo, but ooh. This entire cave system was sealed off from a cave-in when I first discovered it. Maybe that's why the fellows up ahead are so grumpy. Haven't had a bite in a long time. In any case, don't get that long-awaited bite coming from your own rump. Bring some food to calm them down. So yeah, what he's referring to is if you go down this frickin' cave, there are very angry phosphorus slimes. If you go close to them, you will die. Well, not die, but you could die. But if you are quick to run away, no problem intended. And there's Tar. Great, no! Ah, you fucking Tar. Once you have a bit more cash in the game, it's not a big deal. You can plant water cannons here to prevent people from, or prevent Tars from living, to be honest. And on top of that, obviously there's the water cannon upgrade, or storage tanking upgrade, which is actually pretty freaking helpful. Sorry, my main focus is like forts. Now I'm full of them pink forts. I'm not gonna focus on filling it up, but I'm gonna get close to it. Like if I see Tabby, if I see Blue, I'm gonna pick it up. I don't want to go just there yet because there's a lot of angry slime in that direction. I mean, at this point, there's really not much, but I just want to see if there's any more of those messages. Plus, I'm looking for treasure boxes. Alright. I'm going to introduce you finally to a Gordo. And there was one at that... There was a big pink one on the bridge near our house. Basically what you do is you feed them a ton of food and they explode. They require a lot of food. If memory serves me, it's like 70 or 50. When we start eventually doing these Gordos, right now I don't have the resources. I want to focus on getting like a proper farm set up and stuff like that to feed these guys. We'll eventually get that resolved. We'll see what these guys like have, because either they'll have like lots of goodies or what's called slime keys, which unlock new areas, which we are going to need very soon. These are treasure pods. There's different color ones. Each one resembles. Each one is in regards to a certain level. So the first level is green. So when we get that, the ability to unlock the treasure pods, the first ones will be able to unlock are green. We're gonna need these because there can be some angry slimes. Hey guys! Wait for it. Wait for it. Shouldn't she be dying? The heck? You alive? Holy crap. They're supposed to die. That's cool, I guess? Well, that's the end of the road. Okay, so like you can see, this place is boarded off. We need a slime key. We're gonna have to work on that. Let's see here. We should have enough. Because this episode's so dry, I don't want to like end it off like this, but it's already closing up to 20 minutes. I should do something like special. You know what? Alright. You guys have seen the first 2 episodes themselves. What I want is this. Give me some feedback. Tell me what you want to see in Slime Rancher. Tell me what I should do. If you guys want like let's see here. I mean, if you guys want to see something specifically, I can do my best to like show you. Or what? Because right now it's gonna be pretty dry. I'll probably have to do some off-screen grinding just to get things situated. But yeah, there's that pink Gordo, and he will drop a key. So once we get enough food stocked up, we're gonna start visiting him. Luckily he's a pink slime, so he'll essentially eat anything. Anything and everything. Which makes it harder because it requires 70, I think, because 50 would be its favorite food, 70 would be its not favorite food, and pig slimes do not have a favorite food. It sucks. Ooh. Alright. Let's see here. Because, let's see here. There we go, 688, that's enough. Okay. Hey. Pinky. Not Pinky. I'm sorry. Hoppy. Yeah. Get back in the cage! Oh my god, the escape artist here. Okay, we got Steve the fucking muscle right over here, and then we got Hoppy, who is the escape artist. So we got some really dangerous slimes here. Jerk. That's what you get. That's what you get. Run away. Run away. Alright, let's see here. Wow, it's actually on the rise. Okay, so now we have 350. We have enough to upgrade high walls. We do, don't we? Please tell me we do. Yes! We do. Ha ha, try jumping that, Hoppy. Oh, he's like, I'm embracing the challenge. I'm embracing the challenge. I'm gonna escape and turn into tar and kick your ass. Let's see here. So I need to save up 425 for the airnet. The airnet is really useful for keeping slimes in. Trust me on this. So I'm gonna save up for that next, and on top of that, I guess our main focus is just to collect food right now. How much is it for an upgrade for storage? 500 each. That's 500 for the first one. Because because I'm gonna need 70. I'm gonna need 70 for the Gordo. Okay, so in the next episode, I'm probably gonna do some on-stream grinding to expand the storage, save up our resources so we can get the Gordo. I'm also gonna get the air nut and expand the ranch a bit. So in the next episode, the ranch is gonna look a bit different. But trust me, if there's any new slimes, there's any new content, you guys aren't gonna see it without me. So until then, you guys have a good day, okay?